Peace family. Okay, so today is laundry day and we are going to do this laundry. All right. Now, me personally, when I go do laundry, I like washing pretty much everything. Okay, so right now my sofa is pretty much looking like this. Okay, this is pretty much what's going on today. Okay, we wash everything. All right, so I take Lyft the far as transportation to wash my clothes, me and my children's clothes. I want to say this to you, okay? Because I just feel this in my spirit. My intuition is telling me to say this. Don't be so concerned about other people's opinions of you that you and your children suffer, okay? All right. Now, some people may say, oh, girl, that's a lot of clothes. Well, it's not a lot of clothes. It's not more clothes. The clothes not more important. Okay. I mean, other people's opinion is not more important than me having clean clothes. Okay. All right. So you can say what you want, child. All right. Let's call our Lyft. Well, actually, let's request our Lyft on an app. All right. And I'll see you guys once we get there. Okay, so before we go and request the lift, okay, I just was thinking, I was like, it makes sense to take you guys with me, duh, right? So I am going to go to the ATM to take cash off, and then I am going to Walgreens, okay? Walgreens is just like you know what Walgreens is, child, okay? All right, I'm going to Walgreens to get some tissue, some toilet tissue, and some paper towel. Come with me. Peace family, peace, peace, peace. So Walgreens, they had some really cute earrings, like these butterfly earrings right here, but it was no price on them. And then they also had these earrings. These was really cute, and especially this bracelet, child. Wow. This bracelet was $15. It was cute. Okay, all right. Okay, so our Lyft is like literally 2 minutes away. Okay, so this is the last final bag that I gotta bring downstairs. I meant to record, but honey, I got sidetracked. Okay, so I'm gonna bring this bag downstairs, and then I'll see you guys at the laundromat or in the lift. Okay, family, so right now I have about, I believe, 5 machines. So right here, this is the darks, lights, and my pillows from my sofa, and then the sofa covers, and then also my blankets and my children's blankets, and then on the other side I have my whites. Okay, family, so pretty much I already put my card in. So this is the laundry card that you get when you come to this laundromat, okay? And who remember putting the coins inside the machine? talking about old school. Okay, so my available balance right now is $357, and I normally put like $30 to $40 on my card because each machine is from $650 to like $850. Okay, and then to cover it, and then also when I put like about $30 to $40, you get a credit. I think the credit is like $650 or something like that, or $350. But yeah. Okay, so I put this 10 already. The video didn't start. And then I'm adding the 20. So right now is $36.57. And we're gonna just take our card. Okay, so before I actually start washing the clothes, one of the things that motivates me to do laundry is having new laundry detergent. Okay, so right now we are on our way. Well, I am on my way to go get some laundry detergent and some more. Well, I don't need bleach. I got bleach and some more fabric softener. Okay, so this detergent is $12.79. So we're gonna go ahead and get this. What's the difference? Nature's Promise and 7th Generation. I think 7th Generation is pretty much Stop and Shop. No, Nature, I don't know. I'm thinking Nature's Promise is Stop and Shop brand. I think, I don't know. But I'm gonna go ahead and go with this. This is $12.79. And I am also going to get the Method fabric softener, which is $7.79. So normally when it comes to laundry detergent, I put like $30 aside to buy detergent and stuff like that. If I was to go to Costco or something, it would be way cheaper because you'll get a big container that you can use throughout the month, right? But we do laundry every 2 weeks, and since I don't have no Costco card right now, this one works. Okay, so right now is most likely going to say the balance is low. And then we go over to the front. Okay, so right now this is pretty much chemistry time. Okay, so I like getting the method and mixing it with the Suavitel because it's just a unique smell. Okay, I don't want to smell like nobody, I don't want to be like nobody, and so this is exactly why I do it. One of the things that I think about and I am always giving gratitude is because although you may not be where you say you desire to be, there is so many things in your life right now that you should be grateful and thankful for. And instead of you looking at it like, oh my goodness, I got to do this laundry, be grateful that you are able to do laundry. And that's how, like, I changed my perception of things, right? At least I'm able to do laundry, right? The more you are grateful and the more you are showing gratitude and you are in Thanksgiving, okay, not the actual, like, holiday or whatever, but the more you are in Thanksgiving, the more the universe is going to give you more. But the more you focus on the lack and scarcity and you keep operating from that, the more you shall receive more of that. So you want to be mindful where your attention goes, right? Energy goes where attention goes. Energy grows where attention goes. So always remember that. So right now, all the machines are pretty much in wrench mode, okay? But I'll wait until this number says 6. Because what I found to be true, and my sister Melissa taught me this, the last wrench, when you put the fabric softener in, it makes the clothes smell more like the fabric softener. So it makes it smell more intense. Okay, family, so since the clothes are right now in a dryer, this is the fun part. Okay, the fun part is me going to TJ Maxx and getting my children some stuff. Well, My daughter, she needs some more underwear, and then I'm gonna pick up some socks for my son. And then after that, we are going to go to Stop and Shop because I need some water and some bread. So that's pretty much about it. So I'll see you guys once we get into TJ Maxx. So these bags right here are absolutely gorgeous. They are $80, not bad at all. And they come in 3 different colors: the burgundy, the orange, and also the green, which you guys know green is my favorite color. And I don't know who these are from. Well, I guess this, I don't know. It says Italy. Okay. And then they also have this bag right here. Okay, $169. Well, 170, and this is who is from Berman. I think that's how you pronounce the name. So TJ Maxx has these boots. These are really cute. These are $25, $24.99. Really, really cute. Then they also have these brown ones, which are $30. They also have these boots right here. Where is the price tag for them, child? They also have these burgundy boots. These are really, really cute. I like these, okay? Child, with a nice leather trench coat. Honey, you will be sharper than sharp. These are $30. TJ Maxx also have these leopard boots right here. It's so funny because I visualize myself counting 20,000 with leopard, okay? And for me to see this is the universe saying, girl, okay, synchronicity at its finest. These are $50. So I like these nails. I said I'm gonna go ahead and grab me these. These are so cute, and these are $4.99.
$6.29.
So right now we are on our way back to the laundromat. Okay, so we could put our clothes in a bag.
You have this?
No, I'm good. I'm going right to the laundromat. All right. So this is good. Okay, I got killed 2 birds with 1 stone. Okay, did the TJ Maxx vlog, and then did the laundromat, okay, and then did food shopping. Well, got some stuff from the supermarket, okay, now we done. Family, peace, peace, peace. Okay, so my phone towards the ending, it had the percentage, it was extremely low, so I couldn't record it. But only thing I did was I put all the clothes in a bag, child, and then I came home and pretty much folded the clothes, okay. And I didn't want to just leave you guys hanging, so I said, you know what, let me make a outro. The ending of the video, I think it's called intro and outro. Okay, so make sure you guys rocking out, believing in yourselves, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.